Stability ball hip thrust. Now there's two ways of doing this exercise. Variation 1, which I recommend to do first, is to have the ball against the wall. That's going to take the balance part out of it, and we can focus on quality of movement. I always show you variation 2, where we don't use the wall, and it's going to require a little bit more balance and stability for me. I would do my best. Okay, so watch my setup. Arms crossed, hands on shoulders. You will walk yourself out first so we can have a proper setup. My head is resting on the ball. My upper back is resting on the ball. My arms are crossed. My feet underneath my knees, my hip, torso, and shoulders. One straight line. And from here, I'm already squeezing my glutes to keep my hips up. I'm not hyperextending, meaning my hips are really high, so it looks like an arc. I inhale, watch my head, and then watch my hips. I move as one unit. So this is full range. I can look straight, drive my hips up. I get to squeeze. 3, 2, 1, inhale. Drive my hips up, and I can squeeze my glutes. 3, 2, 1, show one more time. Up. It's extremely important that we move as one unit. So as the hips go down, you look straight. As your hips go up, you're looking up. Where you should never feel this is your low back or your neck. Enjoy the exercise.